everyone. Today we are doing the vents for probably just the bathroom because it might take a bit since we've never done this before, but we do have to replace all of the vents in the van, though I did have to order a couple of those. They were not the cheapest thing ever. So we'll see how far we get today because we don't know how long one is gonna take. Step one is to move the Shasta into the shade to work because it's really hot. We did it. Like, surprisingly, I can drive this thing, even though it's 20 feet long. Oh, hey, y'all. I just climbed the ladder. Now I'm up on the roof and we're gonna get this vent off, but it's gonna be hard. This stuff, we need to get all of this base stuff off so we can pop this out and put a new vent on. So it's probably gonna take a while because it's like really old. So I'm taking a water break because I'm dramatic, but it's really hot out, honestly. So we just got the first vent out. I think we're just gonna do one vent today, honestly. But right now we're gonna go put the new one in, screw it in, and we need to hit an RV store. It has like some special caulking my dad said we need. So that's not open till Tuesday. It's Sunday now, so I think we're just going to put the tape down on it, I think. So screw it in with the tape, and then that should be it for the vent today, but it was a lot of work. Like, I think one vent took like 2 hours. Hello everyone, it's the next day, and yes, I am wearing the same outfit as yesterday, don't judge me. I took this ceiling off in the last vlog, but that one needs to come off too. So that's basically what we're doing today. I'm not sure what else, but I'll vlog everything, so keep watching. So my drill died, but I still have a couple cabinets to take off, so I gotta get a new battery. Okay, never mind, false alarm. I just had it like in the middle. I never really used a drill before, so we back. so let me finish this cabinet. So just took the cabinet doors off. This closet's actually bigger than you would think. Like, it's pretty big and good for storage, so I really like that. Also have all the drawers, but so far I took off these two cabinets and these two cabinets, and then 1 and 2, because we don't need to take those off right now because we already took this ceiling off. So this ceiling needs to come down, so the cabinets are in the way. Bathroom door. Oh, this one's heavy, actually heavier than I thought. But okay, so I got lots of the doors off. This looks so weird with the bathroom door off. The bathroom needs like major renovating. It's really dated and I really need to clean it. Kind of dreading that. I'm gonna do a whole probably different video on the deep clean, but yeah, not looking forward to that one. We're taking a little break. There's actually like a vintage antique place in my neighborhood. It's like a big store, but they're having a yard sale today outside and it's walking distance, so we're gonna take a break from the van and I'm gonna walk over there and maybe see if I can find anything for the van or if I can just find anything in general. Made it. I found this watch. It's so vintage and cute. Okay, so we're back now from the yard sale and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Actually, all of the stuff that I got was free. I don't even know how I got that lucky, but there was like a couple of free tables, and so I went a little crazy. The first thing I picked up is this little vintage looking perfume bottle. It obviously doesn't work. I think the top's broken off. I'm not sure. But I still like how it looks. I think just little display just for decoration. Then I got this little vintage snap-on type watch. I think it looks really cute. Super aesthetic and vintage, and I really have been wanting a watch like this, so I just can't believe it was free. I got this little heart bracelet and it has these little beads in the center. I just thought it looked like a really good size to fit my tiny wrist. Next, I got this hair clip. It's more just for like an aesthetic of laying on a tray or something. I don't know if I'd actually wear it in my hair, but it's really cute. I love the pearl in the middle. Then I got this little chain bracelet. Chain bracelets are super in right now, and again, this one looked tiny enough to fit my wrist, so I really like that. Next, I got this, which is my favorite thing ever. Like, I would totally buy this out somewhere, but it was free and I just can't believe it. So it's like a little shell dish. This is like so trendy right now too, and I think it looks really cute with like jewelry in it. I love how it's white. It just can look so cute, like just set on a tray or a table. Lastly, I got this little art piece. It says loves me, not loves me. And I think it's homemade, but it's really pretty. And like I said this 1,000 times, but it was freaking free, so why not? Just chilling. Ooh! Yay! Glue?
So he glued them up. Somebody glued them up to the boards, but this is the insulation here.
We've got to get the shop vac in here for the floor and their stuff. So a little update on the ceiling. That was a wood board that was up, right? Stapled, and the actual ceiling is like this thin. So when we try to take the board off, it's like it's bending. So that's kind of scary, but it should be fine, right?
Yeah, somebody put this up.
Yeah, someone put the board up, and now we're taking it down to reveal like the actual ceiling, and that's what it looks like. So it's a little sketchy. So